Calisthenics measures a force of attraction of 4.5 newtons between two charges whose centers are separated by 1.20 meters. By what is the force of attraction? What is the force of attraction when their centers are separated by 0.95? So this is one of those like comparative things, right? So situation 1, situation 2. Let's do it. Okay, so the first situation we've got K, Q1, Q2, which we don't know, but they're the same, right? Divided by 1.20 squared, right? And that's equal to 4.5 newtons, right? So what is the force of attraction when their centers are separated by 0.95? So we're going to go K, Q1, Q2 over 0.95 squared. That's going to equal X. I guess we'll call this F, right? F is a better thing to call it, right? And so now we can just divide. If this equals this and this equals this, then this divided by this equals this divided by this, right? And the beauty of that is that, of course, these numbers are the same in the numerator and the denominator. They just go away, right? So then you end up with 0.95 squared over 1.2 squared. And now we can solve for F, right? F is going to be 4.5 times 1.2 squared divided by 0.95 squared. I'm getting 7.18 newtons. Ta-da! So just again, just set up these ratios and there it is, right? The other way to do this, by the way, is to just totally bootleg it. You know that it's going to be an R squared thing, right? And you know that you're getting them closer. So you just go, okay, 4.5, and I need to use the ratio of these, and I have to square it, right? And to make it bigger, I'm going to go 1.2 on top, 0.95 on the bottom, right? Blam. Try it. Works.